Hey, my name's James Nicholson and welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to talk about should you as an investor be buying in your own personal name or through a limited company. Now, before we jump into that, do subscribe to this channel. Do it really quickly now. Subscribe to the channel and smash that gong because every day I've got new content on my investment journey. I'm going to take you on the journey of refinancing, buying from auction, serviced accommodation and everything in between. So do make sure you subscribe to the channel because it will be a real game changer for you and it will greatly help me out. Now, should you be buying in your personal name or in a limited company? That's what you want to know the answer to, right? Now, it really depends on your situation, right? So in the UK, if you earn under £50,000, let's just say you'll pay around 20% tax. If you earn over £50,000, you'll be paying around 40% tax. And if you earn over £150,000, you'll be paying 45% tax. Now, new legislation's been coming in gradually over the last few years that mean when you own properties in your personal name, it's getting less tax efficient. You see, you used to be able to claim back for any mortgage payments made. Now, you've got to split out to what's the interest, not just what the payment is, right? And so what that means is that you cannot claim back the mortgage payments like you could. Right, and so now you're going to get taxed on just pretty much the gross rent because the expenses and stuff that you can claim back is quite low. So those looking to do it in an individual and a personal name are those people that are on the lower tax rate. So if you're on the lower tax rate, yes, you could look at putting it in your personal name. And people that are looking to get 2 to 4 properties, not looking to build a big portfolio, right? So if you're looking to build 2 to 4 buy-to-lets and you're looking to have those properties for a number of years, you're not looking to grow that portfolio, you're probably not going to be someone that's looking to really go through the ranks in the job that you've got and get promoted, because if you get over £50,000, then the tax is going to change on your buy-to-let income as well. So if that's what you're looking to do, then and you're on under £50,000, then buying in your personal name is fine, right? Now, if you're looking to build a portfolio, it's way more tax efficient to put it into a limited company. You see, the limited company, the tax that it pays is 20%, right? So you're gonna pay 20% of the profits across as tax. Now, here's one thing that I just said there, of the profits. So also if you run it through a limited company, you can put more expenses through. Maybe you need to claim mileage to do viewings. Maybe you need to put your mobile phone bill through that company because you're running the mobile phone and using it to run that business. And so if you're looking to build a portfolio, it's way more tax efficient to run it as a limited company. Now, I have properties in my personal name, which I purchased way before all this legislation came in. I started investing 20 years ago, but now going forward, I put it through a limited company, right? And if you've been following this channel and this journey, you've probably seen that we're currently buying properties for my daughter Georgia in a limited company. We've just bought an auction property and we're doing that through a limited company, and that's because we want to just set it up. We've got ambitions to have a portfolio for her as well as my portfolio. We're also going to do that for my new baby Amelie, who's 1. So we're going to be setting up a limited company, and we'll go into that in other videos on the channel. So that's a reason to subscribe if there was any. But really what I'm saying here is, just to clarify, if you're looking to just get a few buy-to-lets, you don't have big ambitions of buying 10 to 20 properties, and you're going to be on the lower tax threshold, under 50 grand, then just do it in your personal name. But if you really want to grow a big portfolio, you want this as your main business, you want to be able to write off more expenses and you want to be protected against future legislation changes, then look to do it through a limited company. It's quite straightforward. You can speak to an accountant who will set that up for you in the right way. It's not a very big task to do. So I hope that gives you some clarity. I'd love to know your questions and your thoughts. Do comment below, even if it's just to say hi or thanks. That really helps me with YouTube and pushing it out to more people. Smash that like button over there quickly, guys. Just smash it till it turns blue. That really helps as well. And we've got a property community that I'd love you to join. It's a Facebook group. I'm going to put a link in the description so you can go and join our community of other investors learning and growing together. I'm James Nicholson. Stay blessed, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye for now.